Okay, so I am out in my driveway right now, kind of doing a dress rehearsal on the apparatus that's going to help me calculate the speed of light. So let me give you a rundown of what we've got here. On top of my Celestron Alt-Az mount, I've got my 5-watt green laser mounted. It's going to shoot a beam through this little wheel that's on my Dremel, which is mounted on my EQ8 mount. I went with the biggest mount for this because I'm trying to eliminate as much vibration as possible, keep it as stable as possible. This wheel has 100 laser cut slots in it that I'm going to spin. Ignore the white tape. I'll show you what that's for here in just a minute. The laser is going to shoot through the slits all the way. Right now, you can't see it, but out the garage back door, I've got a target screwed onto my fence. That's 150 feet. So let me show you with it turned on. So we'll go ahead and turn the laser on. Yeah, it's on. I don't want to blind my camera. So like I said, it's going to be shooting through this spinning disc, and I have a potentiometer on order, so I won't have to reach up here with my hand. Let me just spin it about that. And if you look, you can see the green reflection off a retro-reflective tape all the way back on my fence. Well, that reflection is going to come back, and it's going to go through the same slots, and that's where the telescope comes in. I'm going to have it focused on that target, which will be about, I don't know, 5 miles away. Still debating between 4 and 5. But this will then be connected via camera to my laptop, which will be snapping pictures as I change the RPMs on this. Now, how do I know how fast that thing is spinning? I've got this little guy. This is a visual tachometer. So that's what that white tape was for. So I'll turn it on and have it bouncing off of that. And you can see right now I'm spinning at 6,550 or so RPM. But I'm going to have to run it to about, 12,000 or so to get to where the laser light is completely blocked by the spinning wheel. Instead of the light coming back through the slot, it's going to hit the cog and block the light. Now, I won't be able to see this with my eyes because it's going to be such a subtle difference in brightness. But with my laptop and my astronomy software, which is designed specifically for calculating brightness, I should be able to make it work. But this is basically how I'm going to have it set up. My EQ6, followed by my telescope. There's Bob. Mounted on my, that's my EQ8. My EQ6 has my telescope mounted, and my Celestron Alt-Az has the laser. And I can actually use my Celestron controller to fine-tune the laser. And I can bring this down to super fine resolution. So hopefully it's not too windy at the beach. Hopefully I can pull this off this weekend. The weather doesn't look great, but we'll see how it goes. Got any questions, put it in the comments. Let me stop all this stuff. Turn off the laser. Let's just spin the Dremel up. Yeah, I don't like my hand being that close that fast. So we'll turn it off. That's it. Love to hear what you think.